Hi dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous class we learned about integers, comparison of integers, representation of integers on a number line. Today we are going to study addition of integers. In addition, we combine two numbers. Addition of two integers means when we add two integers. Addition of integers, we use the first method as a representation on a number line. Addition of integers using a number line. Let's check an example. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 is an integer, plus 3 is an integer. How to add these two integers? We know that on a number line, positive numbers are on the right of 0 and negative numbers are on the left of 0. Here we add a positive integer. To add a positive integer, we move to the right of the number line. That is minus 2 plus 3. Here 3 is a positive integer. We move to the right of the number line. That is starts from which number? Minus 2. Starts from minus 2 and move 3 steps to the right. This here 1 step, 2, 3. That is we reach 1. That is minus 2 plus 3. We get 1. That is to add a positive integer, we move to the right of the number line. Next, another example, that is to minus 3 plus minus 4, that is add a negative integer. Minus 4 is a negative integer. Then what do we do? Draw a number line. 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 3 plus minus 4. That is add a negative integer, we move to the left of the number line. Add a positive integer, move to the right of the number line, and add a negative integer, move to the left of the number line. Here we starts from minus 3. Starts from minus 3, move 4 units to the left of minus 3. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4. That is here we get minus 3 plus minus 4. Minus 3 plus minus 4, we get minus 7. In case of large numbers, the help of number line is inconvenient. In that case, we use another method. What is that? That is the second method is add two integers with the same sign. Add integers with the same sign. That is plus 5 plus positive 15. Positive 5 plus positive 15. How to add these two numbers? That is we add the numbers. That is 15 plus 5. That is add the numbers third sign. That is 15 plus 5. We get 20. Then another one. Positive 7 plus positive 32. Positive 7 plus positive 32. That is here we get what? First positive 5 plus positive 15. We add the numbers and put the sign. That is 5 plus 15 we get 20. Positive, in case of positive numbers, no need to put the symbol there. Here positive 7 plus positive 32. 32 plus 7. What is that? 39. That is positive 39. Then in case of negative numbers, both are negative. Minus 20 plus minus 10. Minus 20. Negative 20 plus negative 10. What do we do? First add and put the same sign. That is 20 plus 10, 30. Here the sign is negative. That is we get minus 30. Here positive 5 plus positive 15. That is positive 20. Positive 7 plus positive 32. We get positive 39, and here negative 20 plus negative 10 we get negative 30, and another one negative 30 plus negative 55. What do we do? First we add the numbers. 55 plus 30 we get 85, both have same sign. Then here we get minus 85, that is negative 85. That is to add integers on same side. What do we do? Add the numbers and put the same sign. That when we add two positive integers, positive plus positive, positive plus positive, we get positive integer. Both are same sign, we get the same sign. When we add two integers, negative plus negative, we get negative integers. That is how to add two integers with the same sign. That is, we add the numbers and put the same sign. Clear? Next method. How to add two integers with different sign. How to add two integers with different sign. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3. That is, on a number line we know that starts from minus 7 and it is plus 3. What do we do? Move plus 3. What do we do? Move 3 steps to the right of the number line. That is, we get that is, consider this, starts from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Starts from minus 7, move 3 steps to the right. That is, we get minus 4. That is minus 7 plus 3. We get what? Minus 4. That is how to get this. That is minus 7 plus 3 we get minus 4. That is, we can find this one. The difference of 7 and 3. 7 minus 3. What is that? 4. And we put the sign of greater number. What is that? Here the greater number is 7. Sign is minus 4. Minus. That is, we get minus 7 plus 3. That is equal to what? Minus 4. That is, to add two integers with different sign. What do we do? Find the difference and put the sign of greater number. Another one, minus 10 plus 15. What do we do? Find the difference. 15 minus 10. What is that? 15 minus 10? 5. And sign of greater number. Here, which is greater number? 15. That is sign of greater number. That is positive 5. Consider another question, another one. 25 plus minus 13. 25 plus minus 13. What do we do? Find the difference. What is 25 minus 13? What is the difference between 25 and 13? 12. And put the sign of greater number. Here, which is the greater number? 25. Sign is positive. That is positive 12. Understood? That is how to add two integers with different sign. We find the difference of the given integers and put the sign of greater number. Clear? Let's add 2 and minus 2. 2 plus minus 2. What is that? 2 plus minus 2. Consider a number line. 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Starting from 2, add negative integer. Move 2 steps to the left of the number line. That is, starting from 2, move 2 steps. That is, we get what? 0. That is, 2 plus minus 2 is equal to what? 0. That is, find the difference. How to add two integers with different sign? Find the difference. 2 minus 2. What is that? 0. Then 3 plus minus 3. What is that? 0. 10 plus minus 10. What is that? 0. That is, here these numbers 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, 10 and minus 10 are called additive inverse. That is, sum of two numbers is 0. Each numbers are the additive inverse of each other. That is 3 5. What's the additive inverse? Additive inverse is minus 5. 5 additive inverse minus 5. 23. Additive inverse minus 23. That is opposite sign of the given number. That are additive inverse. That is, if A is a number, then what is its additive inverse? If A is a number, its additive inverse is, that is, if A is any integer, its additive inverse is minus A. Then what's the additive identity for integers? We know that in case of all numbers, 0 is the additive identity. In case of integers also, 0 is the additive identity for integers. Additive identity for integers, that is what? 0. Clear? Okay, let's check. Find the sum of, find sum. Minus 250 plus 150. Find the sum. How to add two integers with different sign? Find the difference. That is, subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Find the difference means what? Subtract smaller number from the greater number and put the sign of the greater number. Here 250 and 150. Find the difference. We get a 250 minus 150, which is smaller number, 150. Find the difference, we get 100. And put the sign of the greater number. Here the greater number is 250 and the sign is minus, negative. That is, we get minus 100. Clear? Another question. Minus 7 plus minus 9. Minus 7 and minus 9. Both are same sign. What do we do? Add and put the same sign. 7 plus 9, we get 16. Sign minus. That is minus 16. Clear? Then find the sum of minus 16 plus 4. Minus 16 plus 4. Both are different sign. What do we do? Find the difference and put the sign of greater number. 16 minus 4. What's the difference? 16 and 4 difference 12. Sign of greater number is minus. That is, we get minus 12. In negative numbers, we write that numbers in bracket. Okay, another question. Minus 9, find the sum, plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. Find the sum of these 4 integers. First, what do we do? For minus 9 plus 4 minus 6 plus 3. First, what do we do? Rearrange the numbers in order. That is, arrange the numbers in order. That is, first we write, arrange the negative numbers. That is minus 9 plus, next negative integer, minus 6 plus, that is, arrange negative integers and positive integers, then we can add it easily. Then next number, positive 4 plus positive 3. That is minus 9 plus minus 6, both are negative, add and put the same sign. 9 plus 6, 15, same sign, that is minus 15. Plus positive 4 plus positive 3. That is 4 plus 3, 7, sign is positive. That is negative 15 plus positive 7. Both are different sign. 15, minus 15 and plus 7. What do we do? Minus 15 and plus 7. What do we do? Both are different sign. Find the difference and put the sign of greater number. What's the difference? 15 and 7. Difference is 8. Sign of the greater number is negative. Therefore, here we get minus 8. Clear? Hope that all of you understood the concept. Thank you, dear students.